Car hasn't been running in a couple of days, and I just had to use a Noco Boost to start her. Must be beating a low battery. Anyway, that saved the day again. What do you do when you're 5 hours away from home and your car battery's dead? Hope you got a Noco Boost GB40. It's a little power pack. Charge your car yourself. Show you how it works. Connect the red to the positive terminal, the black to the negative. Turn on the booster. Get a green light here, it's good to go. That's just charged up there now. And she's running. Perfect. Service station in a bag. Perfect. Saves the day. Especially this far from home. When I got home, I took out my multimeter, did a couple of tests on my battery, and determined that indeed the battery was failing. It's below all specs for a good battery. So next day I picked up a new battery, replaced it myself. It was pretty easy, only took a few minutes. The one thing that really saved me was having that booster pack. Just wondering if you have a booster pack or any emergency kit in your car that may help you get going again. Leave a comment down below. I was about 4.5 to 5 hours drive away from home on a camping trip. So if I didn't have that, it could have been much worse. Thanks for watching. Take care.